Here is a matching type question. Study the items in both columns carefully. Try to work out the matching before we solve it together. Let us first understand the key concept here. S_N1 requires formation of a stable carbocation. Intermediate bridgehead carbocations in rigid bicyclic systems are highly strained and destabilized, Brett's rule violation, making S_N1 impossible at bridgehead positions of small medium bridged systems. S_N2 requires backside attack by the nucleophile. Bridgehead carbons in rigid bicyclic systems block backside approach geometrically, making S_N2 impossible at bridgehead positions. Non-bridgehead secondary carbons in bridged systems can potentially undergo S_N1 or S_N2 depending on steric accessibility. Moving on to the next step. Cl is on a bridgehead carbon of a rigid bridged bicyclic system, 1,4-methanolphthalene skeleton. The bridgehead is at the junction with the aromatic ring. This is a tertiary-like bridgehead. Brett's rule, bridgehead carbocation, would be highly strained S_N1 not possible, R. Backside attack blocked by rigid cage, S_N2 not possible, S. Match A, R, S. Moving on to the next step. Cl is on a non-bridgehead secondary carbon of the bridge, not at the bridgehead. This carbon is accessible. It is secondary, so S_N1 can occur, carbocation reasonably stable, P. Backside approach is possible since it is not a bridgehead, S_N2 can occur, Q. Match B, P, Q. And for the final step. Cl is on a bridgehead carbon of the rigid bicyclic cage fused to benzene ring, tertiary bridgehead. By Brett's rule, bridgehead carbocation is not feasible in this ring size, S_N1 not possible, R. Backside attack at bridgehead is geometrically impossible, S_N2 not possible, S. Match C, R, S. Cl is on a carbon adjacent to, or part of, a double bond in the bridge of a bridged bicyclic system, vinyl halide or allylic bridgehead. The carbon bearing Cl appears to be a bridgehead with a double bond, vinylic bridgehead. Vinylic bridgehead positions, S_N1 on vinylic carbon is not feasible, vinyl cation very unstable, S_N1 not possible, R. S_N2 on vinylic carbon is also not possible due to geometry and orbital considerations, S_N2 not possible, S. Match D, R, S. A, R, S, B, P, Q, C, R, S, D, R, S. This matches perfectly. Therefore, the correct answer is A, R, S, B, P, Q, C, R, S, D, R, S. Therefore, the correct matching is A matches R, S, B matches P, Q, C matches R, S, D matches R, S.